GoPro 9 Hero 9 release date, specs, rumor, new design anticipated possible for 2020. One thing about the consumer tech industry is that company maintain a very predictable timeline of release dates for future product. The same goes for GoPro Hero label camera, so even if the GoPro Hero 8 Black was just launched last month, it is not surprising that people can now find discussion about GoPro Hero 9 online, while the GoPro Hero series has had several improvements over the years. Its latest offering still lack some features that should have been made available at this point. For one, the GoPro Hero 9 is anticipated to launch with a new design next year. GoPro Hero 9 specs feature what to expect. Aside from the new specs and features that could be announced on GoPro Hero 9, some are wondering whether next year is the right time for the company to issue an all-new design for its flagship action camera. Camera Jabber point out the former factor and design that is seen on the GoPro Hero 8 Black has been around since Hero 5 was launched in 2016, assuming that the company would maintain the release date cycle for Hero label camera. 2020 seems to be the right time to introduce a major appearance overhaul. It is then impossible for GoPro Hero 9 to debut a new action camera design from GoPro. Most hardware spec between GoPro Hero 7, I don't get to read anymore. GoPro Hero 9 release date, new action camera, likely launch in the fall 2020. The possible hardware and software feature announcement on GoPro Hero 9 is quite difficult to predict at this point, but its release date, it is an easier discussion. Over the years, this is an article I have found on Google. I don't know why they have written that.